Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix season expired on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone, then tap the menu button, scroll down and tap log out. Once log out, close the app completely. Now open the Facebook again and log back in with your email and password many times. This alone fix the problem. A weak internet connection can cause the season expired. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on or mobile data is enabled. Trying switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the Facebook app. You can also go to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. If you see update, tap it. An old app version can cause login error, the season expired. On iPhone, you can't clear cache directly, but you can refresh the app this way. Go to the setting of your phone, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, then scroll down and tap Facebook, then tap Offload app. This removes temporary data without deleting your account. After that, reinstall Facebook and log in again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.